Cabin's log, Ourdate, 07/08/2025. Well, I got these taken down. I left that up because I might want to actually work under it. I don't know. It's miserable out here right now. While I was disassembling the platform, I noticed, whoops, I don't want to do that. I'm going to step on them for sure. Both sides were broken. So I'm going to have to splice them. It is what it is, right? Also, these, I already said I was going to extend them 4 feet, which these just happen to be 4 feet. They're also 2x8s instead of 2x6s, which I didn't notice. My ability to notice stuff is getting worse every minute. But anyway, I got that tore apart. Got that all tore apart. Trying to get the platform done before it gets dark, but it's supposed to storm here somewhere around 4 something. I can't tell what time it is because my phone's screwed up. But hopefully, if I can get it built, then I can work on leveling it, and I'll have to come up with some bricks to put down. I don't know how that's going to work because everything I've put down previously sunk in the dirt really bad because it just washes through here pretty good. So maybe I'll go ahead and dig some holes and set some posts. Kind of sounds like that's what I need to do. So I kind of think that's what I might do. Oh, I took that off here. I hope I don't need it for the storm. Huh, it's interesting. Yeah, I've got one hell of a mess. I think I showed everybody that last night. It's a disaster out here right now. But no more than usual, so yay, here we go. But I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and I'm not 100% positive on this, but I'm thinking I'm going to try to get the lean on this pretty high, possibly over the top of the peak, and try to keep water from, well, that's not going to be that big a deal though. Still, whatever. It might work, it might not. I don't know. I don't know yet. It hasn't happened, so I don't know if it's going to get done. Got a hell of a splinter in my finger too. It doesn't look like much, but it's really starting to hurt. I thought I got it all out, but I must not have. Don's going to pick up some more screws. And yeah, like I said, hopefully I can get it all put together in a reasonable amount of time. And I think the way it's all going to end up, I think I'm going to have to build a bit of a berm in here and maybe run a, I don't know, 4-inch line or something under the berm right in the corner Actually, the corner's going to be out there. How is that going to work? I don't know. I'll figure it out. Like I said, it'll be what it'll be. I probably will have to run some sort of pipe through here that'll pick up the water outside on the other side of the berm and pull it to that side, so I don't have nearly as much running through. Something I probably should have done with that addition over there. That's why I'm flooding every time it storms. Every time it storms in a specific way. Put it that way. But I think this will work. Yeah, should be fine. But as soon as I get this flooring built and get at least 3 sides on it, then I'm going to have to move the table saw into it. That will be fun. And once I do that, then I can move all the other tools out here, so I can start work on tying these two together and making it a pretty decent, albeit, no, it should just be a good shop. Should be a decent shop. It won't be 20 by 20. It's going to be 17 by 20. So that's fine. With the table saw in here, as much room as I'm going to have I'm going to put the drill press in here probably. I think I'll have enough room to put a small bench in there, and I'll put like the spindle sander and all that stuff in there. So that'll be more or less a wood shop. And then this will be my whatever the hell else I do shop. Should work out. Should work out pretty well. And what a mess. What a mess. What a mess. And to top it all off, I put everything in the tent to kind of help it from getting wet if it rained. It rained this morning. I forgot to close the damn tent. So it didn't hurt anything, but it could have. So I need to remember to close the damn tent. That being said, Bumbling Fool signing off.